If you are new to online eTIMS as a service provider and wondering how to generate a sales receipt, this tutorial is for you. I'll guide you through the process step by step. If you haven't watched my previous videos on how to sign up and set up your online eTIMS account, I've shared the links in the comments below. That is where you should begin before proceeding with this tutorial. First, access the eTIMS taxpayer portal by visiting etims.kra.go.ke. Then next, log in using your KRA PIN number as the user ID and the password you created during the sign-up process, and then click on Login. Once you have logged into your online eTIMS account, go to the eTIMS menu and click on Transaction Management. Then from the available option you see, select Sales Receipt. Then next, click the Add button to begin creating a new sales receipt. This will open a sales information page as shown, where you can start entering the details of your transaction. You will provide the required sales information details. If the buyer is a business person and would like the sale captured in their eTIMS account, you may enter their KRA PIN number, but this is optional. Next, enter the buyer's name, which is also optional. And provide the buyer's mobile number, which is mandatory. And then for the payment type, you can select any that the client is paying through. Then from there, you move to the sales item list section. Under the item name, click the search button to select the item you registered earlier. That's why I said you have to watch the previous video so that you can see that part of entering your items in the eTIMS. A list of your registered items will appear as shown. So what you need to do, click on the plus button next to the relevant item code. The item details will be displayed, and then you need to click the item code field to select the specific item. The selected item will then appear in the sales item list section as shown. Enter the quantity, the unit price. You can change the unit price from whatever we indicated in the previous video. You can also include any discount where applicable. Make sure the amount you enter is VAT inclusive if you are charging VAT. Once you have confirmed that all your details are correct, click Save. In case you are offering different services to the same client, click the plus sign as shown, and then you will get an extra entry line. Follow the same process to enter the details. You can add as many services as you want using the same process, and then click on Save. Finally, the receipt or the invoice will appear under the Receipts section as shown here. To download the invoice or the receipt, click the value under the receipt number. In our case, the value is 1. The receipt information will be displayed as shown. Once you confirm that all the details are in order, click on Receipt to download the invoice. And there you have your receipt ready to issue to your client. I believe you're now able to issue your invoices as a service provider. Next, I'll show you what a credit note is and how to issue one on online eTIMS. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out when the video drops. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.